Bismillah. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you have always wanted to learn Japanese, if you are into Japanese culture and but you don't know where to start, you are in the right place. Today we will learn Japanese from the very beginning. We will start with the Hiragana alphabet. Japanese alphabet, they have three types of alphabet: hiragana, katakana, and the kanji. And first of all, we need to learn hiragana, so let's start. We will start with the hiragana alphabet, then move on to simple words, useful phrases, and everyday conversations. So you need to grab your notebook and pen. Let's start learning Japanese together. And if you enjoy this lesson, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Japanese lessons. So let's start. So today we can learn these 10 letters for making easier to understand. So we can learn these letters. Let's start. First one. Here we can see first one is A, right? So we can learn this letter to imagine this letter for something else that we know already. So I decided to learn this letter by dividing it for some 3 parts. First part is like it looks like A, right? Like that. And for me it looks like A, just English letter A. And second part is this one, like air, right? Air. And I remember it air, and it also looks like T, right? So I make it for that art, Japanese style art. And if I remember like this word art, so and RT, this will be our Japanese A. So yeah, I remember it this way, but you can learn with your own fantasy, your own, maybe you can draw something else. For me it's like art, and I remember it this way. Second letter is, okay, it's E. It's simple, right? Just E with like that. I guess it's easy one. It just looks like I, and yeah, it's just easy one. We can move on to other letter, third letter. Okay, third is U. And Japanese letter, it also looks like U, but it's like Z. So for me it's U, okay? And I remember to drawing some water. I know that it's like that, but for remembering I just change it at water. Okay, and fourth one is E. I remembered this letter for making it like electricity. So for me it's like electricity, is that like right? It's like this part ground and like that. I don't know, it looks like electricity for me. For other person maybe it's like looks like for something else that they can easily remember. So you can change by your own way. It's E. Then okay. Oh, it's in my own language. It looks like that kind of thing. Like that kind of. It calls orak, and then I decided just call it orak. Fifth one, it is O. Then let's move on to our 6. Yeah, this need to be 6. Okay. And it's called ka. I make it just simple thing. It's my own language is kartop, and it looks like kartoshka, kartop. So it's ka. Seventh is ku. Okay, if I want to write ku, it will be like that, ku. Okay, ku is this letter, ku. For remembering, I make it this kind of. And 8th one is ke. For remembering this one, I make it this kind of thing that uses in kemia. So one is ko. It's easy one because it looks like crochet, right? I even drew it crochet. So it's like ko, crochet. Yes, thank you for listening me. Thank you for remembering letters with me. So I hope you remembered today's 9 letters which we learned today. This key one is harder, so we will learn in the next lesson with these letters. And I hope you learned these 9 letters. If you didn't understand something else, you can write a comment. I will learn. I will read comments and answer these comments. So if it's harder for you, like letters, you can make some flashcards, which I also do. It will be easier to remember with flashcards. And so thank you for learning languages with me, and see you soon.